Hello everyone, how are you today, Primary 5? Okay, today we will complete Primary 5 Math first term, Mr. Abenob with you. Okay, our lesson today, lesson number 7, is about dividing decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, in this lesson we will learn how to divide decimal number by 10 and by 100 and by 1000. How we can divide decimal by 10 and 100 and 1000? Let's see. We have some rules. Number 1, to divide by 10, when we divide decimal number by 10, move the decimal point one place to the left. Okay, remember with me, when we multiply by 10, we move the decimal point one place to the right. But in here, when we divide by 10, move the decimal point one place to the left. Okay, for example, 2573.9 divided by 10. Okay, divided by 10. 10 has how many zeros? Super, just 1 0. So we will move the decimal point one place to the left. From here, go here, one place to the left. So the result will be 257.39. Okay, do you understand it? When we divide by 10, 10 has 1 0, so move the decimal point one place to the left. Number 2, to divide by 100, 100 has how many zeros? Excellent, 2 zeros. We move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Like what? 2573.9, the same example, divided by 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so decimal point move to the left 2 places. 1, 2. So decimal point become after 5. So the result will be 25, a whole number, and 739 thousandths. Number 3, to divide by 1000, 1000 has how many zeros? Who can say? Super, 3 zeros. So move the decimal point, excellent, 3 places to the left. For example, 2573.9, the same example, but in here we will divide it by 1000. So decimal point will move to the left 3 digits. 1 decimal point in here, come 1, 2, 3. So decimal point become after 2. So the result will be 2 as a whole number and 5739 decimal number. Is this easy? All of you now can divide it by 10 or 100 or 1000. Just move the decimal point according to number of zeros but to the left. Okay? Division, decimal point move to the left. But when we multiply, decimal point move to the right. Okay, sometimes we must put 0 or more zeros on the left. Like what? 3.7 divided by 10. Decimal point move to the left, just 1 digit. Okay, move with me decimal point 1. So decimal point will come in here. So the result will be 0.37. The same number, 3.7 divided by 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so decimal point move to the left 2 places. Okay, so decimal point move to here, but we don't have any number, so we will put 0 and the point 0. So the result will be 0.037. Divided by 1000, decimal point move to the left, excellent, 3 digits. Okay, move to the left 1 digit, become after 3. But we don't have numbers, so we will put how many zeros? Excellent, we need 2. So we'll put 2 zeros, point 0. So the result will be 0.0037. Okay? Do you understand it well? Okay. Let's solve some examples. Who can solve the first one with me? Try to solve in any paper and make sure from your answer. 64.43 divided by 10. 10 has 1 0. So decimal point move to the left. Excellent. 1 place. So the result will be what? Who can say? 6 point, super. Decimal point move to the left one digit, come in here. 6.443. Is this easy? Okay, letter B. 400.5 divided by 100. 100 has how many zeros? Excellent, 2. So decimal point move to the left because we have division. 2 places. 1, 2. So decimal point become in here after 4. So the result will be 4 as a whole number, 0.005. Do you understand it well? Again, if you can't, in here divided by 100. So decimal point move to the left 2 places. Decimal point in here 1, 2. So decimal point become in here. So we write 0 because we don't have whole number. 0.3257. Is this easy? Okay, letter D. Divided by 10. 10 has how many zeros? Just 1. So decimal point move to the left 1 place. Decimal point move from here to become here. So the result will be 70.02. Okay. Letter E. Super. The result will be 0.96 because we don't have a whole number. Letter F. Divided by 100. Okay, decimal point move to the left 2 places. So decimal point move to the left 2 places. 1 after 8 and they become after 6. So the result will be 0.683. Do you understand it well? Okay. Letter G. Divided by 100. Okay, decimal point move to the left 2 places. 1 decimal point in here. Okay, we come in here after 0, 1, but we don't have another number, so we'll put another 0.0. So the result will be 0.0044. Okay, is this easy? Okay, in here divided by 1000. Decimal point move to the left 3 digits or 3 places. Decimal point in here become after 9 and after 4 and put another 0, 3 places. So the result will be 0.04921. Divide. Okay, letter I. Divided by 10,000. Decimal point move to the left how many digits? Who can say? Super, 4 digits. Okay, so become what? 0.00482. Why? Because decimal point in here, okay, the first 0 become in here after 8. The next 0 become after 4. Okay, 2 digit. We have another 2 zeros, so we will put 2 0, 0, 0, and put point 0. So the result will be 0.00482. Okay, letter J. 3.75 divided by 100. Decimal point move to the left according to number of zeros, 2. So decimal point in here, come after 3, 1 0, and put another 0.0. So the result will be 0.0375. Okay, decimal point after 3, and we need 1 0 because 100 has 2 zeros. Okay, letter K. Who can solve? Okay, solve with me. Divided by 10. Decimal point move to the left. How many digits? Super, 1. So decimal point in here become after 1. So we'll put 0 point because we don't have full number. 17. 0.17. The last one. 5,743.4 divided by 1,000. Okay, decimal point move to the left according to number of zeros. And here we have how many zeros? Super, 3. So decimal point move to the left 3 places. Decimal point in here become after 3, 1 0, after 4, another 0, after 7, the third 0. So the result will be 5.7434. Okay, decimal point, move to the left 3 places. Is this easy? Okay. In here, we use some units. At first, before you solve it, you must remember how to convert from units to another units. We know that from the greatest unit, from the greatest to the smallest, we excellent multiply. But from the smallest unit to the greatest units, super divided by. Multiply by what or divided by what according to units. When we convert from kilometer to meter, we know that 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So we will multiply by 1000. When we convert from millimeter to centimeter, for example, from the smallest milli to the greatest centimeter, we will divide by. Divided by what? Divided by 10. Why? Because 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Okay, let's solve. Number 1, we convert from millimeter, small unit, to centimeter, great unit. Super, from the smallest to the greatest, divided by. Divided by what? Super 10. Because 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. So we will divide the first one by 10. How we can divide by 10? We move decimal point 1 place to the excellent left. But multiply, move to the right. Okay, where decimal point at first? We don't have decimal point, so we can put decimal point in here. Okay, on the right. So decimal point move to the left 1 digits, become in here after 3. So the result will be 74 as a whole number, 0.3. Do you understand? Okay, letter B. Convert from gram to kilogram. Super, from the smallest to the greatest, kilogram, greatest unit. So we will divide it by. Divided by what? 1 kilogram equal how many grams? Who can say? Super, 1000. So we will divide by 1000. Okay, when we divide by 1000, decimal point move to the left 3 places. Where decimal point? Decimal point in here, and we have 0. So decimal point move to the left 3 digits. 1 after 7, another 1 after 3, another 1 after 2. So the result will be 3 whole number, 237 kilograms. Okay, letter C, like letter B. Convert from gram, small unit, to kilogram, greatest unit. So we will divide by. Divided by what? 1000. Okay, decimal point move to the left 3 places according to number of zeros. Decimal point in here. Okay, so become after 0, 1, and we put another 0, and we put another 0, 3.0. So the result will be 0.00, okay, 07 kilogram. Do you understand why? Because decimal point after the 0 according to 1 0, and we put another 2 zeros. Okay. Okay, in here from centimeter to meter, from the smallest to the greatest, we will divide by. All of it from the smallest to the greatest. But divided by what? 1 meter equal how many centimeter? All of you know from grade 2 that 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So we will divide by 100. So the result will be 0.8. Okay, from piaster to pound. 1 pound equal how many piaster? Yes, well done, 100. So we'll divide by 100. Decimal point move to the left 2 digits. So decimal point after 1 and after 6. So the result will be 5 pound, 615. Okay, the last one. 734 millimeter equal how many liters? To convert from milliliters to liters, we will divide by what? Who can say? Excellent, 1000. So decimal point in here come after 4, after 3, after 7. So the result will be 0.0 whole number, 734 34 liters. Do you understand it well? Okay. And here we have some real life problems or story problems. Okay, who can read the first one? Read with me. Soha bought 10 kilograms of fruits for 47.5 LE pounds. Find the price of an kilogram. How we can find the price of 1 kilo? We will divide this price divided by how many kilograms? 10. Okay, solve with me. 47.5 divided by 10. So decimal point move to the left one digit. So decimal point in here become after 7. So the result will be 4.75. So the price of 1 kilogram equal 4.75 pound. Okay, letter B. Bicycle covered 45.8 meter in 10 seconds. Okay, bicycle move 45.8 meter in how many seconds? Excellent, in 10 seconds. How many meters did it cover in 1 second? Who can say what should we do? Super, we will divide by 10 to find how many this bicycle covered in one only second. So 45.8 divided by 10. Decimal point move to the left one only place. So the result will be 4.58. Okay. Letter C. The Ministry of Education bought 1,000 computers for this number. We can divide it 2,349,650. Calculate the price of each computer. The price of each computer equal what? We will divide this number divided by what? 1,000 computer. So 2, 3, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0 divided by 1,000. So decimal point move to the left according to number of zeros 3 places. Where decimal point we can put it in here. So decimal point move after 0, after 5, after 6. So the result will be 2,349.650. Okay, this is the price of one computer. Is about 2,300 pounds. Okay. Do you understand this lesson? It's a very easy lesson. And we learned how to divide by 10. Decimal point move to the left 1 places. And divide by 100. Decimal point move to the left 2 places. And when we divide by 1,000, decimal point move to the left 3 places. I hope all of you understand this lesson. Thank you for listening and goodbye.